Let's tie a square knot. You're going to take the leftmost cord of a group of 4 and cross it over the 2 middle cords to make what looks like a number 4. You're going to take the rightmost cord and you're going to put it under the little armpit of the 4, and behind the 2 cords in the middle, and then through from the back to the front on the other side. You're going to use these working cords to gently tighten up to where you want your knot to sit. And then you're going to do the right cord over the 2 middle cords to make a P, and you're going to loop the left cord under and behind the 2 cords in the middle, and then through to the other side and pull to tighten.